Thank you for joining me today. I'm Fritz Hot Zone Fritz. I hope your day is going splendidly so far. Currently, 38 degrees, mostly cloudy here in the valley on this Friday afternoon. Do you know what time it is? Well, of course you do. That's why you're here, isn't it? Food review time in the valley. Whoa. Today, I'm trying the Sweetway Fizzy Chews. Sour chew candy, lemon and raspberry, artificial flavors. Now, if you've tried this, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of it is. This particular bag has an expiration date of July 10th, 2026. I bought this 18-gram bag from the Universal Yums website last week for $1. The packaging caught my eye, so I figured I'd give it a try. Full disclosure, Universal Yums LLC is not a sponsor of this video. Mayfair is not a sponsor of this video. The Celeste Corporation is not a sponsor of this video. And Allison Transportation Systems is not a sponsor of this video. Raspberry and lemon sour chews together. 0.63 ounce bag. All right, are you ready? I'm ready. Oh, and this snack is from Pakistan. Oh, there we go. There we go. Ooh, look at that. Each one is individually wrapped. That's good. I could have one now. I could put one in my vest pocket, take it to work, have it on break. Whoa. Now, the packaging reminds me from when I was a kid. There was this thing called Warheads, extremely sour candies. I don't even know if those are around anymore. I haven't seen them for a while. It looks fun. Sherbet, sherbet filled chews. Well, that's exciting. This one's lemon. An odd shape. Firm to the touch. It's like a taffy. It feels like a taffy consistency. A little sticky. Smells like lemon. Cheers, everybody. Woo. Woo. Extremely chewy. Tangy and sour. Did I say it's sour? That lemon one's really sour. Whoa. That'll wake you up. In terms of the texture, this reminds me a mix between a high chew, a starburst. That's sticky. And an airhead. In terms of the flavor profile, this particular lemon aftertaste, it's stronger than a starburst. Woo, and sour too. Whew, that packs a punch to it. But it's not spicy, not stale. Whew, really packs a punch. Woo. You can see having this springtime, summertime outside, just walking along, like, ooh, time for a snack. I will say the lemon one, there's a little bit of a cleaner aftertaste. Like Not. I don't know what cleaner tastes like, so let's make that clear. But if I could imagine what Pine Sol, the flavor profile, would that be? It's kind of what that is. It's like a cleaner lemon. So beware of that. But I like lemon in general, so it's not that off-putting, but it is strong. It's a strong lemon. On a scale of 1 to 10, I will give the Sweetway Fizzy Chews lemon flavor chew. I'll give that a solid 8.4752. Do I recommend? Oh, I'm getting so emotional because the game's coming up on Saturday. Oh, I just can't wait. Do I recommend these? Yes. Yes, I do. Would I have them again given the opportunity? Yes. Yes, I would. Now, it's time for the raspberry chew here in the valley. Now, blue. Whoa, it's blue. Ooh, that smells really sweet. Artificial, like blue raspberry. Is this one just as firm to the touch? A little sticky. It's like a Laffy Taffy consistency. Cheers, everybody. Woo! Hello. Woo! I'm back, everybody. Yeah. Woo. Oh, I'd say the raspberry one was even more sour than the lemon. Just as chewy. The same texture profile reminded me of mix between a high chew, a starburst, and an airhead combined together. The flavor profile, blue raspberry. Really can't go wrong with blue raspberry. Whew, I say that's sour. Oh, it must be the citric acid, malic acid. Makes your lip pucker. Like, whoa, that's a party. Oh, that'll wake you up. It reminds me of the flavored Tootsie Rolls, the little mini ones you usually get around the holidays. Like, delectable. It's fruity, raspberry. I will say it's tart. If you like tart candies in general, I think you would like this. I say that this was even tarter than a Sour Patch Kids. Woo! Sweet, decadent, chewy, stick to your teeth. What a treat. Woo! I don't know what that was. I'm here. Woo! Sour, sweet. It's fun. I'd give it that. And I appreciate how they're individually wrapped, so I could share with my friends if I wanted to. Like, hey, want a piece of candy? Try this out. And then watch their face, like something like that. On a scale of 1 to 10, I will give the Sweetway Fizzy Chew Raspberry Chew. I'll give that a solid 8.6127. Sweet, it's tangy. I like the balance between sour and tart. Had a good chew. Jaw gets a workout. There you go. Until next time, I'll see you then. Bye, everyone. Have a great rest of your day. Safe travels if you're heading anywhere. I'm Fritz, Awesome Fritz. Do I recommend the raspberry one as well? Yes. Yes, I do. Would I have it again given the opportunity? Yes. Yes, I would. Ta-da. There you go. Great job, everybody. Thank you so much. Until next time. I'll see you then.